is Reinna, and tonight is the night and the feeling's alright. So for tonight, pagbibigyan ko yung high school friend ko since matagal niya nang nire-request sa akin na gawin ko daw ng makeup tutorial tong makeup look na to na in-upload ko sa aking Instagram account. So if hindi pa kayo naka-follow sa social media accounts ko, bibigyan ko kayo ng 1 minuto para i-follow niyo ako. Papasa ako dito. Okay na. Okay na. So I have posted these 2 pictures right here on my social media accounts or on my IG story. And, ayun, minessage ako ni friend. And sabi niya gawin ko nga daw ng makeup tutorial. I don't know if this will be a long video or a short one since ang gagawin ko na lang is yung eye makeup since meron na akong foundation and eyebrows. So the first look that we're going to do is the colorful one. Medyo nakalimutan ko na din kung paano ko ginawa tong makeup look na to. Nag-practice lang naman ako that time kung paano gawin yung cut crease kasi I've never done that before, I think. So, ayun nga. And then, nabetan niya. So, chinat niya ako and then go. So, yung first, sa pagkakaalala ko, medyo matagal na to, like, oh my god. So, as usual, ang unang step na ginagawa ko is naglalagay ako ng eye primer. So, since itong first look natin is a very colorful one, I recommend using a eyeshadow primer para matingkad and yung colors ng eyeshadow. So, for the eyeshadow primer, I'm using NYX Proof It Waterproof Eyeshadow Primer. And then yan, kalat-kalat lang natin siya like that. After putting on your eyeshadow primer, you're going to, of course, powder it with a white eyeshadow. So, yun na din yung pang-set natin. Kaya, it's a must to put on your white eyeshadow. I'm using H&M Smoky Essentials Eyeshadow Palette. I don't know if this is available here in the Philippines since regalo lang to sa akin ng pinsan ko. So after setting your primer with a white eyeshadow, you're going to use a transition shade as usual. So medyo sanay na kayo sa tutorials ko siguro na lagi tayo may transition shade. And I'm going to use a light brown eyeshadow, which is from my NYX eyeshadow palette. This one is called the Golden Horizons eyeshadow palette. And it contains nudes. Char lang. Transition shades goes above your crease. So, it acts as a gradient from your eyes to your natural skin tone. Yung pag-apply ko ng transition shade is from the outer corners until the middle part of your eyes. And then, medyo malapit-lapit na din siya sa brow mo. After putting on your transition shade, you're going to have to put on a burnt orange eyeshadow. So, as usual, kung ano lang yung mga palettes na meron ako, yun yung ginagamit ko. So, this one's by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to use the burnt orange one. And put it above my crease again, but below the start ng transition shade natin. And I'm using the same brush that I used with my transition shade. So, ayan. Sobrang detail ko magturo ngayon. After that, papahinga muna natin yung fluffy brush and then we're going to use a smaller fluffy brush and put on a pink eyeshadow. So, yung pink eyeshadow na ginamit ko is so pink na nilaman niya yung buong mata. Char. I'm going to put it directly on my crease. So, yung crease natin is yung pinakalinya na nung mata. And then later on, we're going to use a dark eyeshadow to line the crease. So, ilalagay ko yung pink shade na to from the inner corners of my eyes, right here, until the outer corners. And then, i-smoke out ko siya ng pawing. So, you don't have to worry if yung eyeshadow nyo is napupunta sa pinaka-eyelid nyo kasi we're going to erase it later. After the pink eyeshadow, sabi ko nga kanina, we're going to define the cut crease even more with a darker eyeshadow. So, we're going to use a dark brown na lang para hindi naman masyadong harsh yung pagka-dark nung ating cut crease. For that, I'm going to use again the NYX palette and use this dark brown shade with a... I wanna use a fluffy brush pero wala na kasi akong fluffy brush na maliit. So, we're just going to use an angled flat brush and then line it and then blend it later with a fluffy brush. After putting on that cut crease definer, so medyo nag-retouch ako kasi naging messy siya. For the next step, we're going to use a concealer. So, I'll be using LA Girls Pro Conceal in the shade Porcelain. So, nakikita ko to na madalas gamitin ng mga makeup gurus for their cut crease makeup look. And other makeup as well. Basta magpapatong sila ng eyeshadow. So, I'll take a bit of that using a concealer brush and then gagawin natin is lalagyan natin yung buong eyelid natin ng concealer. That's why, kanina sabi ko sa inyo, pag kayo mag-alala kung messy yung application nyo ng brown eyeliner kasi we'll erase it with the concealer. Be careful lang din sa paggawa ng part na to kasi once na dumilat ka, sira yan. And also, you have to be very careful not to go over the line of your eye makeup. So, ganyan siya. Then, after this, you have to set it again with a white eyeshadow. So, after putting on the concealer on your lids, you're going to line your eyes with a blue liner. So, I'm using this color from Lustrous, and I'm going to use this as my eyeliner for tonight. Ito ang hirap kapag singkit ka kasi if you're going to do a cut crease, so yan, siksikan silang lahat sa mata mo. That's why I really don't do cut crease makeup looks a lot. It would be also a fun look if you also have a colored mascara. I think BYS is also selling that. So this is not a sponsored video, just so you know. Pero, naisip ko lang sila. Dun sa photo ko pala is, dinrag ko din tong eyeliner na to on my lower lash line. So, I'm just gonna do that. Dahil medyo harsh yung eyeliner sa lower lash line, I'm going to smudge it a bit using a flat brush. So, after this, you're going to put on your false eyelashes. So, I used a wispy one since ayoko magiging masyadong dramatic yung eye makeup look ko. So, I'll just pop it in and I'll be right back. So, natapos ko din ilagay yung false eyelashes ko after 30 minutes, I think. So, hindi ko alam kung ba't lagi ako nahihirapan pagdating sa false eyelashes. But, I did it. Natapos ko siya kahit na messy yung gawa ko, but I think it's good on camera. The next thing that we're going to do is blush. Hindi pala ako nakakapag-blush. For my blush, I'm going to use Tarte's Amazonian Clay Blush. After ng blush, of course, the last step is to put on your lipstick. So for the lipstick, I'm going to use Maybelline's very girly pink shade, which is called the Rose Rush. What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know? Just wanted to do that kasi my lipstick are poppin'. I know the song is called lip gloss, but my lip gloss is cool. Hindi makukumpleto ang look kung wala yung septum ring na ginamit ko that time, and here it is. Comment down below which I did better. So, mas okay ba yung first time na ginawa ko to or this time na ginawa ko yung look na to? So, para hindi na rin sobrang haba ng video na to, I'll have the second look uploaded the next week after this look comes up on my channel. Please don't forget to hit like and click subscribe on my channel. And don't forget to ring the bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos every week. Don't forget to comment down below what you want me to do next. And yung tinatanong ko sa inyo kanina na ano ba yung mas okay na makeup look, yung last time ba or yung this time. So, I'll see you guys on that next video and bye!